A weekend in the mountains. Sarah is a young woman. She lives in a small city, but she loves nature. On Saturday morning, she wakes up at 6 o'clock. The sun is yellow and the sky is clear. She puts on her hiking boots and takes a big backpack. She drives her car to the mountains. There are many tall trees and colorful flowers. Sarah walks on a long path. She hears the birds. They sing beautiful songs. After 2 hours, she finds a small waterfall. The water is cold and clean. She sits on a gray rock and eats a cheese sandwich. She also drinks some fresh orange juice. In the afternoon, Sarah takes many photos of the forest. She is very happy. After 4 o'clock, she walks back to her car. She is tired, but her heart is full of peace. Nature is her favorite place. Reading comprehension question. What time does Sarah wake up on Saturday? At 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. Which one? Question 2. How does Sarah go to the mountains? She takes a bus. She walks from her house. She drives her car. Which one? Question 3. What does she find after walking for 2 hours? A small waterfall, a big lake, a colorful flower garden. Which one? Question 4. What does Sarah eat on the gray rock? An apple, a chocolate bar, a cheese sandwich. Which one? The last question. How does she feel at the end of the day? Tired but peaceful, sad and bored, angry and hot. Which one? That is the end of our quiz and story. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please write your score in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it please. Don't forget to repeat, especially in 24 hours.